There are times when you will want to change the angle of an object to multiple angles. This will be especially important when you work with satin fills, because you want the angle of the stitches to turn as the object changes its shape. This avoids long floats in the stitches that would snag. This is also important with satin lettering. The software by default places a single stitch angle of 45 degrees when objects are digitized with all but the block tool. You of course can edit this stitch angle through reshape, as we saw in an earlier video, but you can also create turning angles as the object changes its shape. Let's add multiple angles to this satin-filled arc. To activate multiple angles, select the object, go to the Edit toolbox, and click on Add Stitch Angles. Notice that in the status bar, the software is asking to enter angle point 1. Click on one side of the object, move across the object, and click again. Those two clicks are made with left clicks. You can now set another set of 2 left clicks across the object. Place these where you want the angle to turn. And a third set, a fourth set, and a fifth set. You do not want to place too many points too close together. Let the software worry about smoothing out the transition of the angles. Once you're done placing your angles, press Enter to activate the shape. And you can see Reshape is automatically activated, and you can change and refine the stitch angles that you placed by clicking on the peach square and moving it into a different location. You can also move the reshape points of the object itself. When you're done reshaping, press Escape. In the second shape, it's going to take more clicks in order to change the direction of the stitches. Once again, select the object and click on Add Stitch Angles. Place your clicks wherever you want the stitch angle to begin to change. Again, let the software smooth out the areas in between your clicks. When you're done placing the angles, press Enter to activate, and you can see that you have turning stitch angles. Once again, with Reshape, you can refine the transition of the angles by clicking on one of the ends of the angle and moving it. When you're done reshaping, press Escape. If you change your mind, you can also select an object and then select Remove Stitch Angles, and it will remove the multiple angles from that object.